The 2011 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power windows, CD player, passenger airbag on/off switch, bucket seats, power door locks, passenger airbag, MP3 player, rear head airbag, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.